Hi friends, welcome back to my new video. Today we will discuss about the user interface design topic. The subtopic is window management. I'm looking from 7 ISC. Before go to the window management, we want to know what is a window. A window is an area of the screen, usually rectangular in shape, defined by a border that contains a particular view of some area of the computer or some portion of the person's dialogue with computer. It can be removed and rendered independently on the screen. A window may be small, containing a lot of information and message and single fields, or it may be large, consuming most or all of the display available space. A window may be small, containing a short message. A display may contain one, two, or more windows within its boundaries. There are so many characteristics that matters for a window, like size, title, type, location, presentation type, management capabilities, what's the highlight in that window, and a function or task or application that will be performed by that window. There are so many types of windows like palette windows, tile windows, etc. Now, if we talk about our subtopic window management, window management is a crucial aspect of user interface design, particularly in graphical user interfaces, where multiple application windows can be opened simultaneously. If we talk about this window characteristics or menu characteristics, we'll talk about the sequential menus or simultaneous menus. It will perform the same activity what we are discussing about window management. Efficient window management enhances user experience, productivity, and contributes to the overall usability of an application over a system, operating system. By using Window Manager, the user gets a consistent behavior for all of the main windows on the screen. Generally, a window manager honors the size and position request for each window. These comes under characteristics of the window as we discussed before, and then allow users to explicitly move or resize the window, changing these parameters as they see fit. It will come under palette windows, which will show the tools and the options for a window to operate. If you go to the next slide, types of windows: primary windows, dialog boxes, utility windows. Along with that, I told palette windows. It is an extra topic. Primary windows. These are the main application windows where user perform most of the tasks. Dialog box, smaller secondary window that prompt users for specific actions or information. If you take the example of a dialog box, if we open any word pad or any word file or PDF file, if you enter the input and try to save it, it will show a box to save or cancel. It is a dialog box. It will happen when you try to open an application using run as administrator, or if you force close an application, it will show a dialog box that wait or cancel or reload something. If we talk about another type, utility window, smaller windows providing additional tools or information alongside with the primary window. In this, tool tips and balloon tips like characteristics and prototypes are included in this utility windows to provide additional tools to operate and cooperate the window operations. Window placement default means where the window should be placed in a screen. Default placement. Consider a sensible default placement for new windows. Many applications open new windows centered on the screen or adjacent to the patent window. Default placement means when you open any application, it will open in the center of the window or any adjacent side of it. It is a patent of the window uh, placement. User preferences. Allow users to customize their window placement preferences for efficiency and comfort. You can also change the preference according to the user than default operation. Window size and resizing. Resizable windows enable users to resize windows to accommodate their preferences and the amount of content. Minimum and maximum sizes. Define appropriate minimum and maximum sizes to prevent unusable or overly large windows. Window navigation. Taskbar or integration. Utilize the taskbar in Windows or the dock in Mac OS to provide a quick overview, open windows and facilitate easy switching. Alt tab. Implement keyboard shortcuts for cycling through open windows. Windows stacking. Z order. Manage the stacking order of windows, also known as the Z order, to determine which window is on the foreground. If you uh, open a shortcut like Alt plus Tab, you will get to know which are the windows have been opened first, and you will prefer to work with that more. So it will be in the front row other than those windows which are not used mostly, means least recent usage. According to the least recent usage, stack works. So if you talk about Windows stacking, it will also take the same opinion for Windows also. Bring to front or send to back. Allow users to bring a window to the front or send it to the back when needed. When you edit a photo in a Canva application, if you have a background image, if you try to bring that into the front, means above the text, basically the background image is below the text or downward the text. If you try to bring that above the text, will right click and bring to front option will be using. Like that window also works similarly. Bring to front or send to back. Allow users to bring a window to the front or send it to the back when needed. Background window, front window, or primary window. Window grouping. Tabbed interfaces. Implement tabbed interfaces within a single window to organize related content and reduce clutter. Grouping by task. Group related windows together, especially in taskbar or doc representations. Notifications and alerts. Minimize window alerts. Use suitable notifications or indicators to alert users when a window is minimized, ensuring they don't miss important information. This will take care from the pop-up windows. Pop-up window plays a major role in providing the notification alerts and reminding critical information, and it will also work for non-critical information and uh, unreliable task if the user performed unaccessibility or a very unethical thing. If it done, it will remind you. So it will take care by pop-up window. These notification alerts comes in the under the accessibility. Keyboard shortcuts. Provide keyboard shortcuts for window management tasks, making it accessible for users with mobility issues. High contrast and visibility. Ensure that window elements have sufficient contrast and are easily distinguishable for users with visual impairments. Accessibility means not only the person who is fit in all the ways. It should also work for the person who are not fit, means they're partially impaired or partially handicapped. They should also understand what's going on. So to help them, the keyboard shortcuts are invented, and high contrast and visibility. Visible impaired person can also view that properly, so that the definition of the screen should also be in the favor for them. Windows screen. If you take an example of a Windows screen, application icon with the left top corner. Actually, it's a Internet Explorer way back in 90s. About Windows is the title of the window, and title bar. In the title bar, you will find the application icon, title of the window, and minimize button, maximize button, and close button. You know these things already. Close button will close the window at any cost. Minimize button will decrease the size of the window. Maximize the button will increase the size of the window. Menu bar in this, it is a sub title bar. It also contains the options which will be performed by the window, like file, edit, view. If you take any WordPad or any uh, inputting application, you will find these three common, because file gives us open and close or save as options. Edit will makes us to edit the document. View means we can view in any new window or existing window. In client area means it's an input window. You can do anything you want according to the window type. Vertical scroll bar and sizing border. Whenever content is farther or bigger than the window screen, and you can't arrange it in by compressing, so we'll arrange horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar to sizing the border. That's it. What is the conclusion? In conclusion, effective window management is a cornerstone of user interface design that significantly influences the overall usability and user experience of an application or operating system. A well-designed management system enhances productivity, facilitates multitasking, and contributes to a seamless workflow. Thank you. Sorry, sir. Enhanced, before saying thank you, I forgot my slide, so I'll explain this. Enhanced user experience. As we discussed in the conclusion, the main thing these window management operations work for is enhance the user experience. User should attract to the operation that will be performed by the windows to work more for them. Thoughtful window management contributes to a positive user experience by providing intuitive controls for organizing, resizing, and navigating between open windows. This will make the users work easy. Improved productivity. Efficient window management system empower users to organize and switch between tasks seamlessly, reducing cognitive load and improving overall productivity. Customization and flexibility. Offering users the ability to customize window placement, size, and grouping provides a tailored experience that accommodates individual preferences and work styles. Accessibility and inclusivity. Consideration of accessibility features such as keyboard shortcuts, high contrast options, and clear visibility ensures that the window management is inclusive and accessible to the users and with diverse needs. As we said about visually impaired and handicapped users also can benefit from this. So the accessibility will be in the maximized positions. So more, they will get the more number of users than anyone. Multi-platform consistency. Consistent window management across different platforms and devices enhances user familiarity and reduces the learning curve when transitioning between applications or operating system. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.